Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are unboxing one of the brand new Barbie Dream Bestie skate party dolls. So this doll literally came out about a month ago. She was my favorite in the line, and in general, Teresa in Barbie universe has been my complete favorite. Not even joking. So before we get straight into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell, and also follow my TikTok at Callum's Barbies. Okay, so let's get into it. So let's look at the box. So at the front of the box we can see her illustration, we can see skate party. You can see her holding her Nintendo Switch, and we can see the little windows where her roller skates are and her accessories. On the back of the box, we have the exact same images, and we have an image of all the dolls in the wave. It says on the back, "Hi, I'm Teresa. My dream is to start my own video game company. My favourite activities are gaming, reading and gymnastics. My favourite colour is coral. My favourite thing is my handheld gaming device. And my favourite place to skate is the park." Cool. On the sides it says Teresa. And yep, that's it. So, without further ado, let's get this doll open. Okay, so she is out of her box, her packaging. She is free. She can finally breathe. So let's take a quick look. Well, not quick. Let's take a look at her. Okay, so she uses a modified version of the NASA face sculpt, which is traditionally Teresa's newest up-to-date face from 2014. She has red and blue eyeliner, or like eyeshadow, with green eyes, which is cute. She's very big eyes. Her brows are very thick. She has dimples to obviously represent the NASA face mold, and she has a red lip. She has the basic 5 points of articulation at the head, shoulders, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. She comes wearing a rainbow top with red stitching and red straps. She also has a very lovely coral peach cloud puffer. I am obsessed with this. She has a red pleated skirt, which is cute. And she has, obviously, the roller skate, like, pads, so, yeah. She also comes with a choker necklace, a big bow, like a headband, and her hair is very long. It's wavy, and it has, the stamp crimp on the front. This doll is also on the petite body. So yeah, and this is what she looks like compared to a regular Barbie doll, so she's actually shorter. Her extra accessories are this cloud purse with a lightning bolt on top. It's glittery and it's see-through. She also comes with a Nintendo Switch, camera, smart phone, and this pack of honey bear cookies. All the images have the DIJ resin as their screening, just like Barbie dolls. Obviously except for her, because, you know, they would look tacky otherwise. She also comes with a pair of roller skates. They have clouds and they do actually roll. This one's red and it's obviously a heel. So then you just need to clip them on, not clip, but you know, there you go. Put that in, and she's out. and she's ready to skate. She is able to hold all her accessories, obviously except for this honey bear cookie thing, which I still don't get. I'm guessing the Dream Besties just wanted a snack whilst they're roller skating. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching this video where we took a look at the Barbie Dream Besties Teresa doll. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!